Ever wondered how to apply lipstick perfectly to achieve that flawless look? It's an art that elevates your overall appearance, adds a pop of color to your face, and boosts your confidence. This video will be your ultimate guide to perfect lipstick application. We'll explore everything from how to choose the right shade and type of lipstick to mastering the art of application. And guess what? You don't need to be a makeup artist to achieve this. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at applying lipstick. Finding the perfect lipstick can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. There is a world of lipsticks out there, each with its own unique charm. From mattes that offer a sultry, long-lasting finish, to satins and glosses that give your lips a plump, juicy look, the options are endless. Choosing the right shade, however, is where the magic really happens. A good rule of thumb is to match the lipstick with your skin's undertone. If your skin has a cool undertone, go for lipsticks with blue or purple hues. If your skin has a warm undertone, you'll look best in lipsticks with orange or red hues. But what about those pesky questions that always seem to pop up? Can I wear a bold lip during the day? Absolutely. It's all about how you pair it with the rest of your makeup. Should I match my lipstick to my outfit? Not necessarily. Your lipstick should complement your look, not compete with it. Remember, the right lipstick can elevate your look and make you feel confident. Before we dive into the application, it's crucial to understand the importance of lip preparation. Just like a canvas for a masterpiece, your lips need to be smooth and hydrated. Start by gently exfoliating with a lip scrub or a clean toothbrush. Follow up with a nourishing lip balm to provide the perfect base for your lipstick. Products like the Burt's Bees Lip Balm or the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask work wonders. With your lips now prepped, you're ready to move on to the exciting part, applying the lipstick. Now that your lips are prepped, let's master the art of lipstick application. For beginners, start by outlining your lips with a lip liner that matches your lipstick shade. This creates a boundary and prevents the lipstick from bleeding. Next, apply the lipstick from the center of your lips and work your way out. For a more advanced technique, consider the ombre effect. This involves blending two lipstick shades to create a gradient. Start with a darker shade on the outer edges and a lighter one in the center. Blend them together for a seamless transition. When it comes to avoiding smudges, blotting is your best friend. After applying, gently press a tissue onto your lips and dust translucent powder over the top. Lastly, remember to complement your lipstick with the rest of your makeup. For example, if your lipstick is bold and vibrant, keep your eye makeup subtle. And there you have it, a guide to perfect lipstick application. So, to quickly recap what we've covered today, we've navigated the art of choosing the right lipstick, prepping your lips, and applying lipstick like a pro. We've also explored how to pair lipstick with other makeup. With these tips and techniques, you're now ready to take on the world with your perfect lipstick application. Until next time, keep shining and stay beautiful.